Hello, in this video, we're going to walk you through on how to complete an online application for the Alberta government ethnocultural grant and anti-racism grant. Step 1. To start your application, please type the below link into your browser. https://multiculturalism-grants.alberta.ca/. Step 2. When you first go to the website link, you'll see this screen. Click on the Sign In on the top right corner. It will take you to the page where you need to sign in to your alberta.ca account for organizations. Step 3. If you do not already have an alberta.ca account, please refer to the How to Create an alberta.ca account video. You'll need that to apply for both the ethnocultural grant and anti-racism grant. Once you have your alberta.ca account set up, you're going to use your username and password to log in. Once you have logged in, you'll be able to start the application. Click on New Application. Once you click on New Application, a number will be automatically generated. In this case, the number 000028 will be the application's number. On this page, please read through the program overview and also click on the program application guidelines for the eligibility criteria. In order to complete the application, there are a series of screens that you need to enter or validate information for the application. Once you finish reading the whole page, check the box says, I have reviewed the program information, and then click on Save and Next. Well, last slide we said that we need to check on the box which says, I have reviewed the program information. What will happen if you forgot to check on that? You are going to receive a following error message and won't be able to continue with the application. The next 3 slides will show you how to enter your organization information. It includes your organization name, your organization's registration number, and also contact information. You can pretty much find all the required information on your annual return document, and here is an example. On this annual return document, you can find the legal entity name, the business address, the legal entity type, status, and registration date. If you cannot locate your organization name in the drop-down list, click on Check if unable to locate your organization, and this will allow you to enter the legal name and operating name. For the contact information, you need to fill in your first name, last name, your job title within the organization, your contact phone number, email, and the street address. Remember to enter city, province, country, and postal code. All these are mandatory fields. If your mailing address is the same as the above, then just click on the box and say Save and Next. Under Organization Overview, you are required to provide a summary of your organization's mandate and also the program and services your organization provides. Once you finish all the mandatory fields, you can click on Save and Next. Remember, all mandatory information need to be entered. If any of the fields are left blank, you'll receive an error message. What you need to do is just go to the previous page and enter all the information required and to say Save and Next. Then you will be able to continue. Please note that on the previous screen, if you selected No for the question of does your organization have a diversity and inclusion policy, then you will need to complete the following mandatory field. Please indicate your commitment to implement projects in a way that respects diversity and promotes an inclusive society. Now we're coming to the project overview. First of all, you need to enter what type of grant are you applying for. As soon as you click on the magnifying glass, a lookup record shows up. It shows 3 options. So you need to choose one record and click Select to continue. If at this point you're still not sure which one to select, then you need to go back to the program application guidelines to look for the information and decide which grant or which stream you are going to apply for. Once you decided on that part, then you need to enter the project contact information. Very important message here is the contact person must be someone who is available and has knowledge of this grant application and also has legal signing authority. After finishing this project contact information, the next important part is the total project cost. That is a mandatory field. Here is a note to tell you that a completed budget template matching this information will need to be attached to the application.
Referring back to the previous slide, further down on the screen you will be asked for a description of the project goals, if this is a new or existing project, as well as who the specific demographic for this project is. Once you have completed all of these questions, please click Save and Next. This next screen is asking about project details such as tools and resources, advertising platforms being used, number of people directly and indirectly being impacted. As well, if you would like to add optional project documents, please click on Create and then browse to the document and upload. Once you have completed this, please click on Save and Next. Now you have come to the Project Outcomes and Measures screen. This is where you will choose the project outcomes and measures under the specific stream you are applying for. Once you have completed this, click on Save and Next. The Supporting Documents screen lists the required supporting documents in this gray box. To start, to upload your documents, click on Create. You may start to select the document type from the drop-down list, then click on the Choose button to search for the document to upload. Once all required supporting documents have been uploaded, please click on Save and Next to continue. This is an example of a financial statement. Upload the required most recent financial statement, audited or unaudited, or a council resolution signed by authorized representatives by clicking on Create. Then click on the Choose File button to search for the document to upload as previously stated in Step 14. Once all documents are uploaded, click Save and Next. As well, here's an example of a budget template. I have also included instructions for creating a budget. Please note, if any of the required documents are missing, you will receive the following error. This error will list the required documents that you need to upload. As well, if you receive this below error message, it's because you are uploading a document that isn't supported. You will need to use Microsoft Word, Excel, or PDF. Once you have corrected this, please click on Save. For payment information, you will be required to upload a void check or letter from your bank showing the branch transit number, financial institution number, and the financial institution account number. An example of a void check is shown below. This next example is for a pre-authorized payment for direct deposit from a bank. You can print this off from your online banking, or you can go into the bank and see a teller to have it printed off for you. Now you have come to the declaration page. Please read through the declaration, and once you have finished reading it, click on the box beside the statement. By checking this box, I confirm the above statements. Once you have completed this, please click on Save and Next. We are now at the agreement screen. Please read through the agreement. When you have finished, please click on the box beside the statement. By checking this box, I confirm that on signature by the ministry and the recipient, the terms and conditions of any attached schedule together form this agreement. Once you have completed this, click on Submit to submit your application. We have now come to the final slide in our presentation, step number 18. Once you have submitted your application, you will now receive this message. This screen will show you your application number at the top, as well as a message thanking you for your application. Please note, if you have any further questions, please email us at the below email address, and a program officer will get back to you at our earliest convenience. Thank you. We appreciate your time reviewing this presentation. Have a wonderful day.